Hi everybody, welcome to our presentation. Today we want to talk about the Aviva Insurance Company. There are 4 people in our group 16, which is Peng Feijia, Xiao Yuqi, Pan Gao, and Yu Tongfeng.
Let's talk about the business model. Business model is the description of the company's basic business and consists of company's composing departments, business conditions, as well as expenditures. Aviva is an international insurance giant with a 300-year professional assurance experience. It was founded in 1696 with its headquarters in London and has become British largest and the world's top 5 insurance group. As we know, the traditional website is not only mainly to publicize its own company, introduce a range of business or products, and release some important information and strategic decisions, facilitating consumers to know and contact the company. But Aviva's website is not such a simple site, but an information system. Customers can not only get the company information, but also conveniently, quickly, and safely deal with all online business. Aviva Group is encouraging customers to handle business through its website. We should talk about the role of information systems. Aviva's strategic goal is to make a global concentration and provide enterprises and individuals with insurance service. Therefore, the information systems has played a vital role in helping Aviva take its competitive advantages, which can be summed up in the following aspects. The first one is market department. Aviva has a huge market department, which manages all registered users' information and specific trading orders generated by this website. The information is an effective approach for the company to conduct a customer information analysis, which can assist the company to find its most loyal customers. Through this system, the company still can reduce its expenditure and improve its efficiency. The second one is product department. The product department will launch the corresponding products and related product activities in accordance with the registered information from the website. It also shows which products occupy the lowest market acceptance, and these products may be unacceptable for their prices and service, which could remind the company's management of adjusting strategies. The third one is finance department. The online trading provided by the company cannot exist without participation of the finance department. The finance department provides customers with online payment confirmation support at each online purchase. Also, it improves the efficiency of business operation and is proven to be a competitive advantage. The finance department can also record a period of transaction turnover, and other information can lead to some statement data, through which the company's management can acquire some useful guidance information. Finally, the use of information systems keep a close associate between the customer and the company, helping the company to make strategic decisions.
The website shows about account programs, links, picture, service, and product detail of the Aviva companies for customer and investor. Therefore, customers can be clearly see from the web page their wants and needs. Then customers can see some special offer from the web page. They can buy any insurance online at home. It's very easy and convenient for customers. Conceptual ER diagram collects information from the business requirement. It includes department, employer, order, product type, medium, customer, and customer status. The conception ER diagram includes entity, attribute trace, and the relationship. In the conception ER diagram, we can see the relationship between customer and order is many to one. Because one customer can place many orders, the relationship between employer and order is many to one. This is because one employer can handle many orders. Physical ER diagram is a transformation from conception ER diagram to relation database. In fact, physical ER diagram explains relationship for conception ER diagram. Therefore, it helps business easy to find different and effective database system. According to the conceptual ER diagram, we created the database and the database links all of the relationship from the corporation ER diagram. The database stores all of the information about our various companies, such as employer information, department information, product information, and media information. It also stores the information of the customers. We just focus the customers table, order table, product table. The first field in customers table is the customer ID. It is a primary key in this table. Other fields include the customer name, customer's address, and the customer's phone number. I have listed some products that can be purchased from the website. The product table includes product ID, product name, product detail, product price, and product discounts. The primary key of the product table is product ID. The order table consists of the order ID, customer ID, product name, order date, payment, and discounts. It brings data together from the other using formula key. Nowadays, more and more people like purchasing online, especially in insurance market. For dealing thousand orders per day, the Aviva company using the transaction processing system. For example, if the customers buy the insurance from the Aviva company online, they will fill the information. The transaction process system will record his details. According to the details, the system will produce ledgers. The accounting and financial ledger can be considered as the general ledger. It can be divided into debit transaction on left side and the credit transaction on right side. From the database that we made, we can see that payment of the customers should be posted into debit side of the bank. However, the discounts in the products table should be posted to the credit side of the bank. In the sales accounts, the purchase of the customers should be posted into the credit, and the discount should be posted into debit of the discounts payable. From the ledger, we can see that the debit equals the credit, so ledger is the correct. When the general ledger is generated, we should consider that the ledger should be updated timely and accurately. The general ledger system can do this. First, we should know the process of the general ledger system. There are input, process, and in practice, there are many risks in updates the general ledger timely and accurately. The first one is ever is the ledger will make the leader of the Aviva company makes the poor decision. We can emulate them three methods. The first one is the input, edit, and processing control. The second one is the reconciliation. The second one is the reconciliation and the control report. The last one is rated tree. Security also important. I have a list of 5 methods to build strong security general ledger system. First of all, give the account's user ID and password, and then read only accessed through the general ledger, which means you can only read the details in the general ledger system, but you can't to change anything. To check the third one is the authorization codes and then firewall. For the last one, we also should back up the dates frequently.
We want to solve the problem of income calculation of every order. I export the product and order table from the database to Excel. Firstly, I insert two columns, price and income, to the order table. Then the function of VLOOKUP could automatically find the price information in the product table and save in the corresponding column of order table. Then the second step is calculate the income value. The relationship of the data is income equals to price times discount. Then the result is obtained, and other sales, rather than automatically satisfy the manager's needs and make the data much clearer, especially in huge records. I'd like to give two examples. The first one is sorting according to the order date. Here, the sorting is in a descending order. In this way, information could be consulted from the latest order. The second example is sorting according to the product name. Here, the sorting is in an ascending order. In this way, orders are subtotaled by according to the product. It is easier to view the condition and information of the product sales within a certain period of time, as well as it makes the record more ordered. Then I want to describe the data pivot table. We chose some customers from the year of 2011 randomly and try to use them analyze the sales of different insurance. This table below shows the sum of income of the insurances. From this table, we can see the accident disability insurance was the best selling, whereas the child health insurance was the worst. We think the Aviva company should pay more attention on spreading the children's insurance, because children are the future of every family. They are so important to their parents. Their parents could be willing to buy insurance for them. Our advice is writing more advertising and promotions for children insurance. Although the table is not that comprehensive, it still presents the essential condition of the sales. We created a pie chart as well. From this pie chart, we can see the proportion of every insurance directly. As the saying goes, one chart is better than 1,000 words. Icon tools provided by Excel could build perfect icons. These icons not only provide a way to describe data, but also enable the company leaders to obtain useful information soon, rather than some annoying numbers, such as amount. In this way, information system could be used to help seniors to